right, time to go over the answers to page 201. So on this page, you will notice that you are either going up for the ceilings, like if you go up from here, you would hit the 1, or you're going down for the floors, like this one. So this one right here turns going down into a -5. Let's go through the answers. Number 15, you go up to the 1. 16 is a ceiling, so you go from 5.15, you're going to go up to a 6. Number 17 is a floor. You're going to go down. It's 4.01 negative, so if you go down, you'll hit -5. 18 is a ceiling. You're going to go up to the 14. 19, down to the 7. 20 is a floor, down to the 33. 21 is a floor, down to the 23, 33 and 23. And 22 is a floor, it's -8.4, so you go down to the -9. Okay, so the last two are graphs, and I noticed both of them are only first quadrants. They're all positive numbers. So I've set up my graph, so my x's need to go from 0 to 6, and my y's need to go to 10. And number 24, my x's need to go from 0 to 12, and my y's up to 8. So I noticed that I'm going to have a flat line on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Those are going to be the flat part of the stairs. The left is going to be open, and the right is going to be closed. So from 0 to 1, I'm going to do a flat line on 5. So from 0 to 1, I'm going to do a flat line on the 5. Remember we said it's going to be open and then closed. The next interval is from 1 to 2, and it's a flat line on the 6. So from 1 to 2. It doesn't include the 1, it does include the 2. Now I'm going to do from 7. It's going from 2 to 3. 8 is from 3 to 4. So this value of 8 is going to be from the 3 to the 4. And then 9 is going to be from the 4 to the 5. And then the last one, the 10, is from the 5 to the 6. So from the 5 to the 6. Okay. The directions also say to express this as a ceiling or a floor function. Well, if you think about your notes, the one where it was open on the left and it went up to the closed part is always going to be the ceiling. So you could have written this as a ceiling function. F of x equals the ceiling of whatever x is. Or if you like that notation better, you could do the little ceiling bar like that. Okay, so 24 is slightly different. It's colored in on the left and open on the right. So these are going to be floor functions. The 3 is from your 0 to 2. So from 0 to 2, this gap right here is going to be on the 3. So there's my bar right here, from 0 to 2. Now, it's colored in on the left, but not on the right. The next step is on the 4, and that's from 2 to 4. So from the 2 to the 4, you're going to have a step. It includes the 2, but not the 4. Okay. 5 is from 4 to 6. So from the 4 to the 6, I'm going to draw my bar on the 5. It does include the 4. It does not include the 6. All right, 3 more bars, 2 steps at a time. So this next one is going to be colored in, open, colored in, open. The last one is going to be on the 8, and that's from the 10 to the 12. So from the 10 to the 12, I'm going to have my bar on my 8. So from the 10, included, to the 12, not included. And this is a floor function. Notice it's going down to the one that's included. So your function is the floor value of x, or f of x equals, and you can do the symbol for the floor function. Kind of strange, huh? You might, if you're interested, go in through your book and kind of read some of the questions that use the information. Like here, one of the values they're talking about is money that's in an account, and how the money stays when she's making a steady withdrawal or a steady deposit, how it would look. This one is like the value almost like on a per daily basis, but she's not taking money out every day, so the step makes a little bit more sense. Anyway, for the purpose of this class, we're just going to do what we just did on the homework. So if you're feeling good about it, go ahead and work on your homework check.